Got the new turbo on, slash exhaust manifold. It's all one piece kind of thing. I had the front bumper off to replace the intercooler, which was soaked in oil and coolant and had some metal debris in that as well. So to keep that out of the engine, we replaced that. There's the old turbo right there. Bumper cover, all that good stuff. Catalytic converter still isn't on yet, so I got to put that on still. There's the old one there. I got 4 new spark plugs in as well, because they were all fouled out, causing misfires. But I thought I'd just start this up to see how this open turbo sounds. Everything's all set to go. Otherwise, I got the engine full of oil and all the lines hooked up. All that isn't connected is the intake and the exhaust. So let's see how this thing sounds. That sounds awesome, actually. I think I might just leave it that way.